Most of us have a memory where they injured themselves and ended up with a wound on their skin. Some wounds doesn't need medical attention and heal by themselves. Some may need doctor's attention. All in all, wounds are expected to heal after a couple of days. The most annoying thing about wounds is that it forms a scar. In some cases, complications can occur. 1. There can be an infection. Skin is the largest organ of the body and is expected to cover the internal organs of the body. Breakage on the skin acts as a weak link for bacteria to enter the body and cause infections. 2. There can be formation of cyst. In some wounds, especially if it is not well taken care of, wounds can form cysts due to infection and end up passing pus. There can also be a smell. This can delay the healing process of wounds. 3. Formation of pigmentation. After a wound has healed, a scar is always formed. Mostly the scar is of different color than the rest of the body. This occurs due to incorporation of hemosiderin on the wound during healing process. Some people find it disturbing and even, it lowers their self-esteem. Especially scars from pimples. 4. Weak point on the skin. Although wound heal completely, in some cases, that specific point can act as site of weakness. In case there is a scar on the abdominal region, in cases of increased internal pressure, the contents may herniate through that area. 5. There can be deficient scar formation. When a wound is healing, collagen, platelets, fibrinogen, granulomatous are involved in scab formation. In case there is deficient in the healing process, due to some medical conditions, the wound might remain naked. This can be really stressful. The wound will be at risk of infection and excessive bleeding. This also increases the healing process. 6. There can be keloid formation. This occurs when there is excess collagen formation on a wound. Keloids are like swollen bumps on the skin. Mostly after ear piercing, in some people keloids forms. It can be lowering self-esteem factor, since it looks ugly. 7. Excessive contraction of skin. Especially in burns, during healing the skin might heal contracting excessively, pulling the neighboring skin. This can really affect the normal appearance of skin. 8. Development of cancers. Although in rare occasion, some wounds can develop into cancer. Uncontrollable excessive proliferation of cells in wound can result into carcinomas. For example, carcinomas of skin.